I'd like to spend the next couple of minutes trying to explain how we can calculate areas of different shapes. An important thing to remember that when we do calculate an area, that the measurement is given in centimetre squares or possibly metre squares. The little 2 there shows it's square centimetres or square metres. To calculate the area of a rectangle, I'm going to use the formula area equals length multiplied by width. To do this, I'm therefore going to take the 23 centimetres, which is how long the rectangle was, and then multiply it by the 13 centimetres, which was how wide the rectangle was. The 13 itself is made up of a 10 and 3, so therefore 23 multiplied by the 10 is going to be 230, and the 23 multiplied by the 3 is going to be 69. And if I add those two together, I know that the area of the rectangle would be 299 centimetres squared. To calculate the area of a parallelogram is very similar to the area of a rectangle. All I'm going to do is to multiply the length by the height. So in this occasion, I'm going to multiply the 8, which is the length, by the 6, which is the height, which tells me that this parallelogram would have an area of 48 centimetres squared. And again, knowing tables inside out really helps with working out areas. The final area I'm going to calculate is that of a triangle. And for this, I'm going to use the formula that the area is equal to half of the base multiplied by the height. So in this occasion, the base I can see, or the bottom of the triangle, is 4. And I can see from the diagram that it's 6 centimetres tall. So 4 multiplied by 6. And then really I only want half of the base. So then I'm going to actually divide that by 2. So in other words, 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. Then I'm going to divide that by 2, or halve it, which tells me that the area of this triangle is 12 centimetres square. And there we have 3 formulas to work out the area of a rectangle, the area of a parallelogram, and the area of a triangle.